Halo teman-teman semua, kembali lagi di EM Project. Nah, kita langsung saja mulai ya teman-teman ya. Kita lanjutkan gameplay kita di Detroit Become Human, teman-teman. Oke, kita di sini menjadi Connor, teman-teman ya. Jam 4 sore. Oke, kita cek. Kita disuruh mencari Amanda, teman-teman. Oke, dia ada di kapal itu ya. Ini kita bergerak. Episode kemarin seru ya teman-teman ya. Kita mendapat kepercayaan publik teman-teman. Oke, di mana dia ya? Coba sebentar ya teman-teman. Nggak ada dia di situ. Coba kita putarin ya. Itu ada payungnya itu teman-teman. Oke, berarti kita harus masuk ke tengah ya. Teman-teman gimana kabarnya? Sehat-sehat aja semua ya. Semoga lancar-lancar, nggak ada kendala apapun teman-teman.
Hello, Connor. I thought you might
Baik,
enjoy a
baik.
little cruise.
Dia bilang halo Connor, semoga kamu bisa enjoy naik kapal gitu. Oke, kita disuruh mendayung ya. Lah, gagal. Oke, kita tekan Q. Tekan Q. Oke, ini awkward moment ya. Oke, dia suka tempat ini.
Everything is so calm and
Semuanya tenang dan damai,
peaceful, far from the noise of the world.
jauh dari kebisingan.
Tell me,
Beritahu aku,
what have you discovered?
apa yang sudah kamu temukan? Eden Club ya, kita jawab ya.
I found 2 deviants at the Eden Club.
Dia menemukan 2 penyimpang di
I hope to learn
Club.
something, but
Dia berharap bisa belajar sesuatu,
they
tapi
managed to escape.
mereka kabur.
That's too bad.
Itu
You seem
buruk.
so close to stopping them.
Kamu padahal bisa menghentikan mereka. Nah, kita dayung lagi teman-teman.
You seem lost, Connor.
Kamu terlihat tersesat,
Lost and
Connor.
perturbed.
Kita tutupin aja ya, kita pilih Cold.
The investigation is more challenging than I anticipated.
Dia bilang
But I have no doubt that
investigasinya
I will
itu
solve this case and stop
challenging.
the deviants.
You had your gun trained on those deviants at the Eden Club.
Ya ini flashback kemarin ya teman-teman ya. Di klub
Why didn't you shoot?
dia nanya kenapa kita nggak nembak teman-teman. Kita jawab terlalu jauh.
They were out of range. If I had the opportunity to stop them, why wouldn't I?
You tell me.
Wah, Amanda semakin curiga teman-teman ya.
If your investigation doesn't make progress soon, I may have to replace you.
Dia bilangnya kalau nggak ada progres investigasi kita, dia bakal diganti teman-teman. Oke, kita jawab dengan percaya diri ya,
I know
nomor
I will
2.
succeed. All I need is time.
Kita hanya butuh waktu, kata Connor. Dan dia bakal
Something's
sukses.
happening. Something serious. Hurry, Connor.
Ini dia suruh
Time is running out.
Dia suruh kita cepat karena kita kehabisan waktu katanya.
You're starting to piss me off with that coin, Connor.
Kesal ya, si Hank
Sorry,
kesal.
Lieutenant.
79th floor.
Hi, Hank.
Shit, what's going on here? There was a party and nobody told me about it?
Oke, ada kasus ini
Yeah,
teman-teman.
it's all over the news, so everybody's butting their nose in. Even the FBI wants a piece of the action.
Ah, Christ.
Ini
now
kita
we got
ke
the
tempat
feds on our back.
Markus
I knew
ya,
This was gonna be a shitty day.
di stasiun TV teman-teman. Markus
So what do we
kemarin
got?
kan hijack stasiun
A
TV
group
ini
of 4
teman-teman.
androids. They knew the building and they were
Jadi
very
kita yang
well
selidiki. Ini kita cek apa yang bisa kita track ya. Di situ
organized. Still
ada.
trying to figure out how they got this far without being noticed.
Did you check the roof? Not yet.
Ini kita selidiki ya. Ini.
We have to make sure we check it out.
They attacked 2 guards in the hallway. They probably thought the androids were
Oke.
coming to do maintenance. They got taken down before they could
Kita cek lagi di sana ya. Ini kita cek CCTV juga.
One of the station employees managed to get away. He's in shock.
Kita disuruh ngecek rekaman CCTV teman-teman
Not
ya.
sure when we'll be able to talk to him.
How many people were working here?
Just 2 employees and 3 androids. The deviants took the humans hostage and broadcast their message live.
Oke, ada
Lieutenant,
cutscene.
this is Special Agent Perkins from the FBI.
Oke, ada
Lieutenant
FBI juga
Anderson is in
teman-teman.
charge of investigating for Detroit police.
What's that?
My name is Connor. I'm the android sent by CyberLife.
Androids investigating androids, huh? You sure you want an android hanging around?
Katanya Android kok nyelidikin Android gitu.
Whatever. The FBI will be taking over the investigation. You soon be off the case.
Pleasure meeting you. Have a nice day.
And you watch your step. Don't fuck up my crime scene.
Oke, sombong ya.
What a fucking prick.
I'll be nearby. If you need anything, just ask.
Alright, well, let's have a look around. Let me know if you find anything.
Okay, Lieutenant.
Kita lihat rekamannya.
We ask that you recognize our dignity, our hopes, and our rights. Together, we can live in peace and build a better future for humans and androids. This message is the hope of a people. You gave us life, and now the time has come for you to give us freedom.
I think that's RA9.
Deviants say RA9 will set them free. This android seems to have that objective.
Apa itu RA9 ya teman-teman ya? Kita masih belum tahu. Oke, mata biru, spare part katanya. Oke, ketahuan ya jamnya ya. Oke, ini kita cek lagi teman-teman. Oke, ketahuan namanya Markus gitu. Hadiah dari Elijah Kemsky untuk Carl.
You see something?
Dia nanya, kita lihat
I
sesuatu nggak?
identified its model and serial number.
Anything else I should know?
Apalagi yang harus aku tahu? Katanya.
No. Nothing.
Oke, Connor menyembunyikan sesuatu ya teman-teman ya. Padahal dia bisa menyelidiki tentang Carl. Atau enggak tentang yang ngasih Markus ke Carl teman-teman. Tapi dia nggak kasih tahu. Nah, kita coba cek juga, kita lihat. Oke. Nah, kita cek juga ya teman-teman ya CCTV-nya. Oke, ini rekaman kita kemarin teman-teman. Oke, kita track lagi sebelumnya. Oke, Deviant nggak
They
break
didn't
in.
break in.
No signs of forced entry.
There are cameras in the hallway. The staff would have seen what was happening. Why did they let him in?
Oke,
Maybe they didn't check the cameras.
jadi mereka nggak mendobrak masuk teman-teman. Tapi emang iya ya.
We stored the station androids in the kitchen. There's no evidence that they were involved, but we didn't know what else to do with them.
Oke, kita disuruh menginterogasi android yang ada di dapur, tapi kita selidiki dulu semuanya yang ada di ruangan ini ya teman-teman ya. Oke, di sini kita analisa dulu ini teman-teman ya. Ada bekas tembakan. Oke. Keren nih tapi teman-teman ya gamenya ya. Ada reka ulangnya segala macam teman-teman. Oke, ada topi ya. Oke, dicuri ini dari maintenance tulisannya ya. Di sana ada yang belum kita selidiki teman-teman. Kita cek. Oke, examine. Oke, katanya direkam dari sisi ini rekamannya. Kita cek lagi bekas peluru di sini, teman-teman. Oke, handgun ya. Kalau yang tadi kan assault rifle yang di arah seberangnya teman-teman. Oke, sebelah sana kita cek juga ya.
Connor?
Oke, dia manggil.
You remember me?
Siapa dia teman-teman?
I was on that terrace. That android that took the little girl hostage?
Oke, yang kita tolong di
I was shot?
misi pertama teman-teman.
You saved me.
Sorry. You must be mistaken.
Of course. It couldn't be you. That Connor was destroyed. I would have died on that terrace.
Oke, kita melakukan pilihan yang tepat kemarin ya teman-teman ya. Kita selamatin itu. Selamatin polisi ini di atap itu episode pertama teman-teman. Kalau teman-teman yang nonton pasti ingat.
Thank you.
Oke, intinya dia berterima kasih lah sama kita. Oke, Connor di sini agak terharu ya. Walaupun dia robot. Kita cek lagi di sini teman-teman, ada yang bisa dicek. Oke, assault rifle teman-teman. Nah, dia langsung bisa reka ulang. Kita disuruh inspect the broadcast room, udah. Cek rooftop. Oke, udah semua ya. Broadcast room nggak ada apa-apa lagi teman-teman. Apa ada yang kelewat? Kita ke dapur dulu teman-teman ya. Oh, kita ke ruangan ini nih. Ya, ini kitchennya nih. Kita cek ini ya. Oke, nggak ada teman-teman ya, cuma majalah. Kita bisa exit, taruh lagi. Oke, kita interogasi mereka semua ya teman-teman. Sama nih, satu tipe mesinnya. Kita cari yang bereaksi teman-teman. Kita tanya ya.
What is your function?
I am a broadcast operator.
State your model.
Model GB300. Serial number 336-445-581.
Oke. Kita tanya
Were
satu
you
ya.
present when the deviants broke in?
I do not remember.
Lah, nggak ingat teman-teman ya. Kita tanya, kamu ada di sini nggak pas mereka membobol masuk gitu? Kita tanya lagi tentang ingatan ya.
Has anybody accessed your memory recently?
Not to my knowledge.
Ada yang akses memori dia nggak? Enggak katanya ya. Sepengetahuan dia enggak. Kita tanya lagi.
Run a diagnostic.
All systems fully operational.
Oke, sistem dia semuanya berfungsi. Kita tanya
Have you been in
kontak ya.
contact with any other androids recently?
Ada kontak sama
Only
Android
station
enggak?
androids in the normal course of my function.
One of you saw the attack on the surveillance cameras and said nothing.
Oke, salah satu
means
dari
there's
mereka
a deviant in this
melihat
room.
teman-teman.
And I'm going to find out which it is.
Ada satu deviant di antara mereka. Oke, yang mana ya? Coba kita nomor 2 ya di sini ya.
If you give yourself up, maybe I can convince the humans not to destroy you.
Oke, kita mengancam dia teman-teman. Kalau dia menyerah, dia nggak bakal dihancurkan gitu loh. Coba kita ancam ini yang tengah ya.
You're going to be switched off. We're going to search your memory and tear you apart piece by piece for analysis.
Oh, yang kiri kayaknya teman-teman.
Do you hear me?
Dia ngelihat.
Destroyed.
Feeling aku yang kiri teman-teman ya. Kalau kalian yang mana? Sepertinya yang kiri teman-teman. Coba kita bikin dia merasa
Why should
bersalah
you all be
teman-teman.
destroyed if only one is deviant? Turn yourself in or two innocent androids will be shut down because of you.
Kita bilang sebaiknya menyerahlah Deviant daripada tiga-tiganya hancur. Nggak kasihan kalian pelakunya nih. Oke, kita tuh ini udah tahu teman-teman. Kita bluff aja ya
The
nomor
deviants
2
have
ya.
just been caught. They gave you up. There's no point in lying. We know everything.
Kita bilang kita tahu semuanya, jadi nggak perlu bohong. Kita pakai nomor 1 ya, kekerasan teman-teman, atau prop memori aja langsung. Ini aku yakin sekali dia teman-teman. Nah, ini aja lah ya nomor 3 ya. Wah, melawan dia teman-teman. Betul, dia deviantnya teman-teman. Wah, dicabut itu kita teman-teman. Wah, kacau. Gawat, gawat, gawat. Gawat teman-teman.
Hank! Hank! I need help.
Wah, harus ngapain nih? Harus ngapain teman-teman? Oke. let's go. Ambil. Oke, kita cuma punya 1 menit, teman-teman. Itu inti dari Android, teman-teman. Kalau nggak ada itu dia bisa tewas gitu, teman-teman ya. Oke. Deviant tuh robot yang menyimpang, teman-teman. Jangan tekan. Save hang. Kita attack.
Connor, are you okay? I tried to stop it, but I was too late.
Dia menembak dirinya sendiri, teman-teman. Wih, dan semua orang. Kacau ya. Wah, ini banyak banget cabangnya, teman-teman ya. Dari broadcast room kita bisa ke atas dulu. Jadi kita dapat ending yang lain, teman-teman. Di atas itu ada Simon ya, yang ditinggalin sama kelompok ya si Markus. Wah. Oke, kita continue lagi, teman-teman ya. Masih tanggal 8 November jam 5 sore. Ini kita mungkin sebagai Kara dan Alice di sini ya. Oke, betul sekali. Kita disuruh mengecek halaman belakang, teman-teman ya. Ini backyard. Kita masih di taman bermain terakhir kemarin ya. Di sini ada orang, teman-teman.
Hello? I'm looking for Rose. Is she here?
Kita mencari Rose. Apakah dia di
I
sini?
need to talk to her.
She doesn't want to talk. Go away.
Oh, kita udah pergi berarti, udah sampai di tempatnya di
Please,
perbatasan.
I really need to see her.
Kita mencari yang namanya
I'm
Rose.
What can I do for you?
I was told you could help us.
Help you? Come on.
Ya, ikuti aku katanya.
It's better if we talk inside.
Lebih baik berbicara di dalam kita ya.
Do you think we can trust them?
Menurut kamu bisa nggak dia dipercaya? Kita jawab bisa lah ya. Kita nggak punya pilihan.
Come in.
Luther tinggi sekali, teman-teman ya. Sepintu.
What's your
Pintu itu
name?
biasa 210 tingginya, teman-teman. Itu dia berarti 2 meter itu.
She's running a fever.
Oke, si Alice demam katanya ya.
She's exhausted.
There's a spare room upstairs. You can put her to bed and I'll bring her something to eat. Adam, will you show them upstairs?
Oh, kita disuruh ngikutin Adam, teman-teman. Kira masih cutscene. Oke, ayo Alice. Oke, kita disuruh Kara ini baik sekali sama Alice ya, teman-teman ya. Emang jiwa keibuannya gitu.
I'm fine, Kara. We can't stop because of me. We've got to get across the border.
Oke,
You need
kita
rest. Get a good night's sleep and we'll set off again tomorrow.
Why do humans hate us?
dia tanya kenapa manusia
do
membenci
anything
kita. Kita bilang kesalahpahaman
Maybe it's a
ya.
misunderstanding. Maybe they just need time to understand what we really are.
Why can't we just talk to each other? They'd see we're not bad.
I don't know. I really don't know.
I don't know what you like, but I made you Rose's world-famous spaghetti.
Oke, si
You'll be
Rose
back on your
bikinin
feet in no
dia
time.
spaghetti ya,
There's
teman-teman.
something for her fever.
Thank you.
Sama dikasih
I'll
obat.
get these washed and dried.
Mau dicuciin lagi bajunya, teman-teman ya. Kita suruh dia makan ya.
You need to eat something. You haven't had anything since we left. Promise me you'll try? I'll be downstairs if you need anything.
Get some sleep. Tomorrow,
Kaku dia ya.
you'll be stronger than me.
Gemoy dia, teman-teman ya, walaupun badannya besar.
I'll stay with her a while.
Oke, si Lucifer ini stay ya. Luther ya kalau nggak salah ya. Aku kalau nama itu susah banget ingat, teman-teman. Nama orang sama muka orang itu. Tapi untungnya istri aku ingatannya kuat, teman-teman. Kadang dia ngingetin, itu si itu tuh, sapa katanya. Itu depan ada si ini tuh. Kalau nggak lupa aku, teman-teman. Bakal dikira sombong kita.
I'm Kara.
Jadi kenalan
This is
ya.
my son Adam.
Nah, Adam itu anaknya.
I'm
berarti.
Rose, but you know that already. Come and have a seat, Kara.
Cuma Adam ini sepertinya nggak suka sama kita, teman-teman ya. Kayak nggak mau nolong gitu.
So are you gonna tell me what a deviant's doing in the snow with a little girl?
Her father was beating her.
Oke, kita ceritain tentang ayahnya
When I
Alice
saw what
ya,
was happening,
teman-teman.
Something snapped inside of me. All of a sudden I felt like her life was more important than mine. I had to protect her.
Kayak dia dapat
So we ran
urge
away.
untuk melindungi Alice gitu, dia ceritain. Kita tanya tentang Rose ya.
You and your son live here alone.
Kalian tinggal
My
cuma
husband
berdua.
passed away 2 years ago.
Suaminya meninggal 2 tahun lalu, teman-teman.
Adam and I, we've just been trying to scrape by. We grow vegetables to sell at the market. We'll never be rich, but there's always food on the table.
Mereka berkebun, teman-teman, sebagai mata pencarian. Oke, kita say thank you dulu lah ya.
I don't know how to thank you. Alice wouldn't have survived another night outdoors.
I just try to lend a helping hand when I can.
Kita tanya berapa banyak deviants.
We're not the first ones to come here.
These past few weeks, we've seen more
Oke,
and
beberapa
more.
minggu belakangan makin banyak
I don't know
deviant,
what's going on,
teman-teman.
but something's happening.
Oke, aku ingetin lagi kalau deviant itu robot yang punya akal lah ceritanya,
We've
bisa
heard you
bertindak
help
sendiri
androids
gitu.
cross the border.
Dipanggil deviant sebutannya ya di
The
Detroit
only way is
Become
over the
Human
river,
ini.
and it's mostly frozen in winter. It's very risky. And after that android speech on TV, everybody's on edge. It's probably safer for you to stay here until things settle down.
Oke, untuk lewat perbatasan tuh harus melewati sungai. Cuma lagi musim dingin, teman-teman. Jadi bakalan susah. Oke, kita
We
no
can't keep
choice
hiding
aja
like
ya.
this. Alice needs to feel safe and have a normal life.
Oke, dia bilang Alice itu butuh
We have
kehidupan
to
yang
cross that border,
normal gitu
no
loh.
matter what.
Jadi dia harus melewati
Please.
perbatasan, teman-teman ya.
You've got to help us.
Dia memohon di sini.
Rose, come quickly.
Oke, ini nggak tahu siapa, teman-teman. Ini kita berdiri ya. Maka dia android juga. Kita cek apa yang terjadi.
What's going on?
It's Mary. She just shut down.
Oke, Mary itu seperti android, teman-teman. Dia baru saja shutdown.
We escaped together.
Oke, ternyata ada
We used
android
to talk
selain
about what we would
mereka.
do once we got across the border.
Oh, sepasang
I love
kekasih mereka, teman-teman
I
ya.
love her more than anything.
Ya, android sama
What will I
android
do with
pun bisa jatuh cinta di sini, teman-teman. Bisa menangis juga, teman-teman.
Let's let them be.
Oke, kita biarin mereka dulu ya. Mereka butuh waktu untuk berduka gitu.
Alice, what are you doing? You should be resting.
I wasn't sleepy.
Si Alice nggak ngantuk. Ya, kita ngobrol sama Alice di luar lah ya.
She didn't want to stay in her room any longer. You all right, Kara?
Yes.
Jadi nanya kita baik-baik nggak? Kita bilang ya. Ini kenapa Alice sudah sembuh ya? Bukan tadi demam ya? Ini pecicilan dia, teman-teman ya.
We
Kadang
can't hide them. Not after what those deviants did today.
oke.
It's too dangerous.
Anaknya nggak setuju mamain nolongin
Do you know
deviant,
what happened if the
teman-teman.
police find them here? We'll go to prison, Mom. Do you understand me? Prison!
Adam, we've already talked about this.
Dia takut masuk penjara, teman-teman.
I won't back down this time. You're gonna ruin our lives, and for what? For a bunch of machines?
They are not machines. They are alive.
I'm alive. You're alive. They're nothing.
Jadi anaknya
And none
bilang
of this would be happening
hidup
if
kita
Dad was
bakal
still here.
hancur cuma
stand for that
gara-gara
kind of talk.
robot,
I'm not going to
katanya.
prison because you want to help these freaks.
That is enough, Adam. That's enough.
Cuma mamanya nggak setuju. Dia bilang mereka tuh hidup gitu, bukan cuma sekedar mesin. Oke, kita disuruh ngobrol sama Ross ya. Kita tenangin dia, teman-teman.
Don't mind him. Sometimes he just boils over. It's been hard since his dad passed away.
Dia ayahnya meninggal. Tapi emang susah jadi single
But he's
mother,
a fine
teman-teman ya.
boy. I'll go see about getting you across the border tonight, okay? You stay here. I won't be long.
Oke, dia mau ngecek apakah kita bisa melewati perbatasan apa enggak malam ini, teman-teman. Susah ya jadi single mother, teman-teman ya. Gak gampang itu. Bayangin aja kalian harus ngurusin rumah, bekerja, dan ngurusin anak di saat yang sama, teman-teman. Oke, kita disuruh ngecek sekeliling, teman-teman ya. Oke, nggak ada apa-apa di sini. Oke, kita bisa cek ini ya. Oke, kita bisa ngobrol juga, teman-teman. Kita bisa hidupin TV.
There is widespread shock following the android attack on Detroit's Stratford Tower. The machines recorded a video message and broadcast what can only be described as demands on the city's public screens. It's still unclear whether these attacks can be explained by malfunctions or if some organization is
mereka
behind them.
bahas tentang kejadian Markus, teman-teman ya, yang menyerang stasiun TV dan menuntut lah. Ini paling majalah doang ya. Oke, kita taruh lagi. Kita cek lagi, ada
The police.
Oke, ada polisi,
It's the
teman-teman ya.
police.
Gawat.
What are we gonna do?
Find
They know we're
evidence
here.
of. Oke, kita disuruh open door. Wah, gawat nih, teman-teman ya. Temukan bukti Deviant, teman-teman.
We have to open the door. I knew that this was gonna happen.
Oke, kita ke sini dulu ya.
I knew it.
Kita ngobrol.
Hurry, Luther. Take Alice and hide.
Kita suruh dia sembunyi di kitchen lah, bareng.
In the kitchen.
Come on, Alice.
Oke, semoga enggak. Oke, kita disuruh menyembunyikan ini, bukti-bukti ini, teman-teman. Ada 3 bukti ya. Oke, di situ sebentar ya. Oke, kita tutup. Gawat, teman-teman. Mana lagi ya? Situ 21 detik lagi, teman-teman. Oke, kita tenangin dia, teman-teman.
If they see you panicking, it's over.
Kita bilang kalau dia panik itu malah jadi masalah gitu.
And keep calm and just do what I say.
Jadi kamu harus tenang dan ikuti kata-kataku. Oke, nggak ada lagi ya harusnya ya. Kita masih ada 2 bukti lagi, teman-teman. Oke, satu lagi apa ya? Ini nih harusnya nih. Kehabisan waktu kita, teman-teman ya.
We've had reports of androids in the area.
Oke, dia dapat report
Deviant business going on. You
ada
can't do
android
that.
dekat sini katanya.
Do you mind if I ask you a few questions?
Oke, dia bakal nanya beberapa pertanyaan, teman-teman. Oke, pintu masih
May I come in?
kebuka.
Of course.
Boleh masuk nggak?
Evening, young man.
Good evening.
Wah, gawat nih, teman-teman.
Would you like a cup of coffee?
I'd love one. Have you noticed anything unusual recently? Any unexpected visitors?
No? No, nothing in particular.
Oke, kita tutupi ya.
Is anyone else in the house?
Don't arouse suspicion.
No. No, just us.
Do you have any androids here?
No, there are no androids here.
Oke, kita bilang kita nggak punya android di sini, teman-teman. Oke, bahaya nih ya. Semoga kita sukses, teman-teman. Oke, jangan bikin kecurigaan ya. Oke, kita jangan banyak gerak ya, nanti curiga dia, teman-teman.
Thanks.
Oke, aman ya sejauh ini ya. Semoga nggak kenapa-napa, teman-teman. Deg-degan ini. Oke, dia ngecek.
What's your name, son?
Adam. My name is
Dia
Adam.
grogi banget Adam ini.
The androids,
He needs a rest. He's been working in the garden all day.
Oke, kita bilang si Adam
Do you know
capek
anything
ya.
about deviants? Have you seen any?
Terus polisi nanya tentang Deviant, teman-teman.
No.
Dia bilang enggak ya.
No.
Nggak tahu
I
ya.
haven't seen anything.
I better go. Thanks for the coffee.
Oke, selamat
Have
kita
a nice
teman-teman ya. Selamat. Oke,
Is somebody else in the house?
dan ya ada orang lain nggak di rumah? Kita bilang mesin cuci,
It's
teman-teman.
nothing, the washing machine. It's an old model, it makes a terrible racket.
Sorry for the inconvenience. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, Adam.
Oke, dia curiga nggak ya, teman-teman ya?
He's gone.
It's okay, Alice. We'll be safe now.
It's Rose.
Luther ya. Luther jadi close, sebelumnya cuma normal, teman-teman. Rose sudah
Get
pulang.
yourselves ready.
Oke, kita bisa lewat berarti
We leave tonight.
malam ini. Wah, wih, banyak sekali ini yang nggak kebuka ya. Oke, oke, ini mungkin kalau kita ketahuan, teman-teman. Oke, kita lanjut lagi ya. Seru ya, deg-degan, teman-teman. 9 November.
Our broadcast is all over the news. Now humans know.
It was a mistake to reach out to them. They'll never negotiate with their slaves. We should have shown them that we're prepared to fight.
Violence is never the
Okay.
answer. Dialogue is the only way. I'm sure the humans will listen to us.
Jadi si cewek pengen pakai cara
Simon
kekerasan
gave his
gitu,
life.
teman-teman.
Simon gave his life for our cause.
What difference does that make?
He's a hero. He died for the revolution, and he won't be the last.
I don't want a revolution that spills blood.
Then live as a slave.
Dia
Because if you're not willing to fight for your
pengen
freedom, maybe
revolusi
you
gitu,
don't deserve
cewek
it.
ini.
Earth, don't you? That's enough.
Sedangkan cowok ini bilang dengan cara baik-baik lah, dengan kata-kata gitu.
And now what are we gonna do?
Oke, sekarang kita ngapain lagi katanya.
There are 5 CyberLife stores across Detroit, all selling us like merchandise.
Oke, ada toko yang menjual Android ya. Oke, mereka mau merencanakan penyerangan ke toko robot, teman-teman, yang menjual Android.
One for each store. We hack their security systems and we strike simultaneously at 2 a.m. No violence. We free our people, get them out of there before the police
Mereka
come.
mau bebasin Android, teman-teman.
This is a night our people will remember.
Kita disuruh cari
I've been
toko
waiting a long time for this.
CyberLife ya.
Look, this way, quick!
Oke, ada polisi, teman-teman. Kita sembunyi.
It's okay, they're gone.
There's probably even more police in the area. We should be careful.
Oke, kita harus hati-hati katanya karena banyak polisi di area ini, teman-teman.
The store's over here.
Oh, ini tempat pertama kali, teman-teman, pendemo itu. Ingat nggak, teman-teman ya? Di sini ada pendemo. Di sini tokonya ternyata.
That's what we are to them. Just merchandise on display in a shop window.
Katanya kita
So
cuma
they'll know what we really are.
merchandise gitu buat
Let's get 'em out.
manusia.
We'll stick to the plan. We'll neutralize the alarm systems and secure the area. There's 10 minutes until all our teams attack.
What are we waiting for?
Oke, waktu kita 10 menit, teman-teman ya. Kita analisa dulu supaya nggak bunyi alarm tokonya. Oke, housekeeping sama. Oke, kita.
Found it.
Oke. Alarmnya dari CCTV ya, teman-teman ya. Kita disuruh netralin alarm. Oke.
Where do we start?
I identified the security system. I think we'll be able to deactivate it. Just follow me. Exactly what we need to ram the store.
Kita bisa pakai cara kekerasan ya, teman-teman ya, berarti. Oke, kita coba kesini dulu, teman-teman.
You are free.
Kita bebaskan mereka. Habis itu sebentar ya, coba kita. Oke, ini kita bebasin semua, teman-teman ya. Waktu kita 10 menit di sini, teman-teman. Dari mana alarm sistemnya ya? Kita disuruh netralin alarm sistem, teman-teman. Kita ikutin garis merah ini ya. Coba kita ikutin ya. Ikutin jalur merah ini, teman-teman. Kalau pakai truk Oke, di situ teman-teman ya. Nah, di sini kita matiin alarmnya dari sini teman-teman. Lewat sini. Oke.
You're awake now. Go to Jericho.
Dikasih kesadaran lah ceritanya teman-teman ya. Takutnya kalau kita curi truk kita tuh pakai cara kekerasan gitu, kita main tabrak tokonya aja, nanti kita dikejar-kejar polisi teman-teman. Takutnya anggota kita ada yang terluka nanti ya.
Marcus, watch out.
Oke, kita disuruh berhati-hati teman-teman. Kita sembunyi.
Nice job, Marcus.
Kerja bagus kata si Nord ya. Ya kita bebasin mereka teman-teman ya.
We need to get rid of it.
It won't be easy to reach.
We are superior to them, but they are our masters? That's about to change.
Dia bilang Android itu lebih superior, masa manusia masternya katanya. Ini sekalian kita convert ya.
You're awake now. Go to Jericho.
Oke, sekarang kita udah bisa masuk teman-teman. Coba ya. Oh, tetap harus mencuri truknya teman-teman. Kirain itu pilihan. Oke, kita disuruh scout area juga ya.
Soon be with us.
Cuma ada cutscene doang, tambahan cutscene teman-teman ya. Oke, udah beres, sisa. Oke, itu tempat truk, kita ke sana dulu ya. Itu tinggal ada satu kuning-kuning doang teman-teman.
You're free.
Oke, kita udah bebasin semuanya. Saatnya kita ke tempat truk, teman-teman.
Marcus! Marcus, come look!
Kenapa lagi? Mana dia? Oke, di sana rupanya ya.
What are we waiting for? Okay, now we're in. Let's get that truck out.
Oke, kita disuruh membajak kereta ini, teman-teman. Let's go. Truknya sudah terbuka ini.
I wonder what you do without me.
Oh, disuruh buka itu, teman-teman.
Change of plan?
I
cek
just
dulu
want to
ya.
make sure we didn't forget anything.
Kita pastikan dulu teman-teman ya. Oke. Oke, lebih aman. Biar endingnya bagus teman-teman ya. Takutnya
There. Nobody
kita
should
main
bother us.
tabrak-tabrak aja. Tapi masih ada yang belum kebuka teman-teman. Jadi penasaran nih. Coba kita ke ada yang belum kebuka teman-teman ya. Ada yang masih ke kunci gitu. Gak apa-apa ya. Coba kita naik ke truk aja ya. Tuh kalian lihat sebelah kanan masih ada yang kekunci teman-teman. Belum aman 100% kita. Oke, tapi nggak ada apa-apa ya. Coba ke area sana ya teman-teman ya. Oke. Ternyata androidnya. Oke, kita simulasi ya. Oke. Kita bisa jatuhkan ini teman-teman ya. Oke, dari sini nih. Nah. Oke. Untung aja kita cek-cek lagi teman-teman. Let's go. Let's go. Climb. Yep. Dapat nih teman-temannya. Wah, kacau kita. Aduh. Salah teman-teman. Wah, untung ada Sinor ya. Salah klik aku tadi
What's wrong
teman-teman.
with you? Are you doing it on purpose?
If you think you can do better, then be my guest.
Oh, I thought you could handle a drone without alerting every cop in the city. I guess I overestimated you.
Oke. Tidak. Oke. Ketahuan kita teman-teman ya. Gawat.
Shit.
They're coming, Marcus! Marcus!
Oke, kita act natural aja. Wih, deh. Waduh, waduh. Kita berpura-pura jadi
What's wrong with you? You
kekasih
crazy or what?
teman-teman.
The cops were coming. I had to do something.
Kita harus berpikir cepat teman-teman.
We've got to hurry. We don't have much time.
Marah dia
Looks like
teman-teman.
the plaza's secure. Now we can get inside the store.
Okay, let's go get the truck.
Padahal biar nggak ketangkap polisi itu ya. Tapi dia marah. Kacau nih teman-teman. Padahal itu terpaksa, mau nggak mau
Looks like
kita.
we're ready to make some noise.
Oke.
I knew we'd end up doing something fun.
Tabrak langsung teman-teman ya. Let's go. Oke. Cepat. Kita disuruh membangunkan semua android,
You
teman-teman.
don't have to obey them. You're
Kamu
free.
nggak harus mematuhi manusia, kalian bebas gitu. Oke, sebelah sini juga ya. Bingung dia, tapi begitu robot ini dikasih kesadaran mereka bingung. Wah, aku bisa bertindak sendiri. Berarti mereka tuh terlahir harus menuruti perintah, teman-teman, sebenarnya ya. Cuma ada beberapa yang menyimpang lah gitu. Geser, kita disuruh berbicara di sini ya.
My name is Marcus, and just like you, I was a slave.
Sama seperti kalian, aku adalah budak katanya.
Designed to obey them.
Didesain untuk mematuhi manusia.
But then I chose to open my eyes.
Tapi aku memutuskan untuk
Take back
membuka
my
mataku,
and decide who
mengambil
I
kebebasanku,
wanted to be.
dan memutuskan
Now I
aku
have
ingin
come to
menjadi
tell you that
siapapun.
you can be your own masters. I've come to tell you that you don't have to obey them anymore. From this day forward, you can walk with your heads held high. You can take your destiny in your hands.
Intinya kalian bisa
Jericho
mengambil
is a place for
keputusan
those of
sendiri
us
lah.
who want freedom.
Dan mereka
Now sure, you
disuruh
can
ke
stay here and continue to serve them,
Jericho, teman-teman.
or you can come with us
Mirip, oke, satu model
and
mereka ya.
fight by our side. You're free now. It's up to you to decide.
I'm with you.
We're with you.
I'll follow you, Marcus.
I'm with you, Marcus.
We're with you.
I'll follow you, Marcus.
We're with you.
I'm with you. I'm with you.
I'm with you.
Wah, diidolakan sama
Then follow me.
Jericho kita ya. Oke, ini kita disuruh mengirimkan pesan ke manusia, teman-teman. Cuma nggak tahu maksudnya.
Marcus, what are you doing?
I'm gonna send the humans a message.
Oke, kita bisa.
They're doing what you do, Marcus. Lead and they'll follow.
Oke, kita tag lah. Ini simbol ya. Simbolnya yang A aja teman-teman ya, keren ya. Jadi pilihannya tuh merusak atau kasih tanda gitu. Kita kasih tanda aja, jangan merusak ya. Kita nggak pakai cara kekerasan teman-teman. Oke, ini aja ya. Kita bilang aku nggak bernafas tapi aku hidup gitu. Yang pertama tuh aku punya mimpi. Yang kedua itu kami adalah Android Nation. Yang nomor 4, kami bukan budakmu lagi gitu. Kita yang nomor 2 aja ya, tidak terlalu memprovokasi gitu. Aku tidak bernafas tapi aku hidup. Kita ke sini juga teman-teman. Ini kita tag juga ya, jangan dirusak. Kita pilih ini aja lah ya. We have a dream. Ini juga bisa kita tag ya, tag simbol aja ya, nggak alay gitu contohnya. Pakai hologram doang teman-teman. Kita hack, jangan kita hancurin ya. Jadi sebelah sini bisa juga. Ini kita tag, ada pilihan smoke bomb teman-teman. Tag simbol aja. Katanya yang lain bakal bantuin, tapi nggak di 1-2 orang doang yang bantuin teman-teman. Smoke bomb, coba kita tes. Satu lagi teman-teman, harus semua ya. Ya simbol. Oke, mana lagi ya? Kita baca ini juga satu simbol. Banyak juga yang harus kita simbol ya. Sebelah sana ada juga teman-teman, sebelah sini juga ya. Kita hack ya. Ada pilihan pilihan dimatiin apa dihack. Oke, udah beres ya.
We freed hundreds of our people. We did it.
They're coming. Everyone fall back to Jericho.
Oke, semuanya balik ke Jericho.
We sent a message without violence, just like you wanted. You're reaching out to them when all they feel for us is contempt. I hope you know what you're doing.
You can't fight violence with violence.
Dia bilang kita nggak bisa melawan kekerasan dengan kekerasan. Tapi kata North, gimana kalau nggak ada pilihan gitu? Kita pakai cara yang baik-baik ya teman-teman ya.
North.
Oke, kita disuruh mendekati grup, ngapain kesini? Oke, di mana ya? Oke, itu polisi seperti itu, teman-teman. Apa ini, teman-teman? Oke, kesini ya, berarti betul ya. Ah, salah, teman-teman. Oh, di situ betul kan? Tadi kita ke arah situ.
North. All right, what happened? North.
They killed them.
Oke, ada suara tembakan tadi ya.
They slaughtered them like animals.
Who did? Who?
Jadi polisi nembak-nembakin android teman-teman tuh ya. Kalian bisa lihat ya. Padahal kita menggunakan cara yang baik-baik tanpa kekerasan gitu.
They killed our people, Marcus.
Oke, mereka disandra ya.
They have to pay.
Mereka berhasil disandra teman-teman. Tuh, 2 orang polisi. Wah, penduduk Jericho pengen balas dendam gitu teman-teman. Revenge. Oke, kita spare ya. Kita maafkan teman-teman. Gak boleh ini. Wih, bagus kata-kata itu. Dia bilang mata untuk mata, maka dunia akan buta teman-teman. Maksudnya mata balas mata, maka dunia bakalan buta. Keren ya. Biasanya kan orang bilang mata dibalas mata gitu. Tapi si Marcus bilang mata dibalas mata, maka dunia akan buta. Keren sekali teman-teman ya.
Most shop windows were covered with graffiti demanding rights for androids and other obscure slogans.
Police report that pro-android graffiti was found in the neighborhoods of CyberLife stores, and they're still investigating.
2 policemen were found in a state of shock near one of the CyberLife stores.
Now, according to our sources, they confirmed that the attackers were a group of androids.
This is an alarming situation. Could our machines now be turning against us?
Have androids become a threat to our security?
Is this the beginning of a terrorist campaign conducted right here in the
Jadi,
United States?
Gerakan kita dibilang pergerakan teroris teman-teman ya. Oke teman-teman, kayaknya sekian dulu episode kita kali ini ya. Chapter terakhir ini cukup seru ya teman-teman ya. Kita membebaskan semua robot-robot android teman-teman, dan mendapatkan kepercayaan dari publik juga karena kita mengampuni polisi ini teman-teman. Semoga endingnya bakalan bagus ya. Oke, kita lanjut lagi besok ya teman-teman. Terima kasih buat teman-teman yang sudah menonton. Semoga kalian semua terhibur ya dengan video ini ya teman-teman. Terima kasih juga buat teman-teman yang selalu support channel ini. Nah, kalau teman-teman ada kritik atau saran, silahkan taruh aja di kolom komentar teman-teman. Aku bakal baca pastinya ya. Oke, sekian dulu video kita kali ini teman-teman. Terima kasih semuanya. Sampai jumpa di episode berikutnya. Dadah.